A window cleaner who was shocked with 33,000 volts and survived delivered the keynote address at the International Window Cleaners Association annual convention right here in Las Vegas. His name is Jason Knight. He's a window cleaner from England. He was shocked by a power line. Now alive to tell the tale, Jason Knight flew to Las Vegas to speak to his fellow window cleaners about how that day changed his life forever.
I was blown across the lawn about 8 feet due to an electrocution that arced across and hit my pole. This obviously left me unconscious on the lawn for I don't know how long it was, but I think I was there a long time. I felt myself slipping away. All I could think about was my family. I never think I was going to see my family again.
Well, he did. Incredible story. You can learn more about his story on his GoFundMe page. Just search for Jason's Rehabilitation. And we'll be right back.
Hi, I'm here with...
Wait, hold on. Let me... Go now.
I'm here with Jason Knight, and you want to tell us briefly what happened when you touched highly conductive black carbon fiber?
Yeah, sure. So on the 6th of April of 2024, I was going about my normal window cleaning route, and this particular property I was on my last window, and I was bringing the pole down, and this hand was on a carbon fiber section, and this hand was on an insulated section.
Insulated, you mean fiberglass?
Fiberglass, yeah, fiberglass. Unfortunately, a nearby power line decided to arc across through my hand and down through my legs, and it exited out.
What did it jump? 6 feet?
Yeah, about 8 feet, 8.5.
Yeah, okay, because it's meters.
Yeah.
We don't know meters here in the United States. We have to go with feet, even though meters are better.
Yeah. It exited out of my feet, leaving me in a very horrible state. The only reason why I'm here today is because this hand was on an insulated section that stopped it from going through my heart.
So if you had a pole, if every section was insulated up to 15,000 volts, and the carbon fiber was inside, you think you would have been better off?
I think so. I agree that if I was using something, one of your poles, I wouldn't be in this situation today.
So what we did in October, I decided to try to make a safe pole. I've been making them since 2017. I haven't used a carbon fiber on the outside for 7 years. It was Kevlar, and then the carbon fiber was inside. So what I did on this, I insulated both sides so the ultra high mod is buried. You can't touch it. It's in 2 non-conductive sections.
Yeah.
And it still makes it very light. That's only like 6 pounds.
Yeah, it's quite,
And then what I did, all my poles are 1 through 8, and you just add this non-conductive section to go out.
Yeah.
So just the whole idea, and we tested it by the fine standard. At 20,000, it arced, meaning it arced on the pole.
Yeah.
But at 15,000, nothing.
Yeah.
So definitely 15,000. And most people in the United States aren't really up against 15,000. But I hate to see what you went through, and at least some vendors, manufacturers, even though I'm a window cleaner, I'm a manufacturer. And what do I know? I'm a stupid window cleaner. Anyway, I'm trying to make it safe. Yeah. I appreciate what you went through, how tragic it was. And if we can stop any window cleaner from getting hurt, I'm all for it.
Well, I appreciate you. I appreciate you taking the time and making these poles safer to use for people. And this is the direction that vendors need to go in my opinion, to make it, safer for everybody. So, look, I know my message is this is the last form of defence, okay, everybody. And the first thing you need to do really is to do your risk assessments, look out, and. Yeah, look out, and this is my sticker. Remember me, Jason.
I'll make you electric proof next time.
Yeah, that would be lovely. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, but yeah, please, guys, do your risk assessments. Look out, and put a little bit of pressure on your pole manufacturers to, you know, and ask them, is the poles insulated, you know, and, because without you, the first, the second, and possibly all the poles like these ones are.
And tested.
And it has to be tested.
That's to get it certified.
Yeah, I agree. Thank you.
You take care.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.